Washing rice. Before I put in the milk, I need to wash them. Make sure it will be clear, no starch in it, so the kheer will be more tasty. At least 3 times I'll wash it. So this is kheer and this is Indian rice pudding. So it's really yummy, delicious, sweet. It's Indian dessert. The cardamom seeds, I'm going to smash it, and after the smash, I'm going to use in the rice pudding. So I am adding rice now in the rice pudding. It's a raw rice. It will cook with the milk. And after that, I'll add cardamom, crushed cardamom as well. So now I am adding sugar, 2 cups of sugar. So now I'm mixing it and mixing it properly. Sometimes it starts burning from the corner.
How do you know when it's time to add the sugar?
When the rice is half cooked, hope you can see that. You can see the rice, now it's cooked. So this is the right time to add the sugar. Yeah, when you add rice, when it was not cooked, it's down on the surface. When it's half cooked, it starts coming up. You can see that rice is floating up there. So it means it is the right time to add sugar and condensed milk as well. This is condensed milk, 2 bottles of condensed milk. I am adding 1 by 1 condensed milk. This helps to make the dessert more sweet and creamy. So it's very important in this dessert. So again we need to stir. Whatever we put in this pudding, we need to stir again and again to mix it properly. This is done. You can see that it's properly thick, creamy texture. Hope you can see that. We need to pull it down and then we can serve.
How can you tell it's done?
Because you see the texture and you can see that the milk and rice all are together now. Nothing is separate. It's mixed it well and it's cooked.
Touch. So this is our rice pudding. I'm adding almonds on top of it. So we have rice, milk, almonds and cardamom. That's all we need for rice pudding.